Hi everyone, it's Serena and today we're updating our Magimix Cook Expert. Now every now and again Magimix comes out with great new programs, but instead of selling you a new machine they just give you a free upgrade, okay, free update on the actual website. So you go to the website and you download it onto a USB stick and the instructions are all there. It's very simple. I'm a dinosaur and even I can do it. So here we go. So first of all, make sure that your Cook Expert's turned off at the back. Okay, turn it on its side. I like to do that on a tea towel. Take the little cap off the back. Put your USB stick in like so. Very simply, make sure it's in properly. Okay, and then we're going to hold the bottom and the top buttons together. That's underneath the stop. Underneath the stop there's three buttons. You hold the top and the bottom one, not the middle one. You hold them down. At the same time you turn your machine on at the back, okay, and it will start to update. So make sure that you actually keep holding those two buttons right up until the time they're completed and you see the proper screen. It actually tells you what it's doing, so it's, you know, boot loading and etc here. So I'm just going to hold that down. Now the programs that are being updated now are pizza. Okay, just hold that down. Get these programs up. Is the pizza one, so that's great because it actually kneads the dough and proves it and everything, which is fantastic. The pancake and waffle, and so it does all your batters and everything else for the pancakes and the waffles. And chocolate, melts your chocolates, so it has an automatic program for melting chocolate. The other thing that's upgrading is the actual washing, okay, the rinse mode. So before there was only one rinse mode and now there's three. So there's the regular one, there's an eco one, which is a fast clean. Then there's the medium one, okay, which you know, heats it but only to a certain level just to, you know, give it a good clean. And then of course there's the plus clean. So, you know, when you're making soups and stews and things and you want it to give it a good clean, it actually heats the machine up properly and really gives it a good clean out. So that's a really good thing. Okay, well here it goes. It's all upgraded for me and you can see there's the screen. The screen's a little bit bigger with the upgrade and, you know, you might like to check it, go around and check that all of the programs that you're actually upgraded are there. So that's all you need to do. And so I encourage you to update your Magimix Cook Expert to all the great new programs. Keep an eye out on them. And like I said, totally free, totally free. Okay, enjoy and get to that website and upgrade it. Okay, see ya.